Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you or show you on how to make ChatGPT write longer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you can do is to just go ahead and type, for example, you want to write an essay. So write an essay about climate change. Okay, so just go ahead and click on enter. So as you can see that now the AI is creating your essay. Okay. So for example, you have a specific number of words that you want. So for example, 500 words. So what you can do is to just go ahead and let me just go ahead and copy this. So write an essay about climate change, 500 words. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and click on enter. So as you can see, this is the first essay that the AI created. So introduction, it says it's 100 words. Then for the causes of climate change, we have another 100 words. And here we have 150 words. Then 200 for this part. For the conclusion, we have 500 words. So in total of 500 words. Okay, so if you want to add more, just go ahead and type add more. So here, as you can see, it will add more content for your essay. Okay. So here we have 100, 100, 400, then 700. So here we already have 700 words. And here in total of 750 words in this essay. Okay, so you can just go ahead and do that, and the AI will create a longer answers for your question, okay, or for your essay, okay? And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.